Death toll by COVID-19 rising in Assam. Number of positive cases crosses 13,000 mark. Construction of Hamren Central Hall to be completed before August 15, Hamren Municipal Board Chairman. Local bodies inspect ongoing construction of mini stadium in Sochin Khenta. A very good morning to all the viewers of Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news of the day. Now let's look into the news in detail. With a spike of COVID-19 cases in the state, Assam is now burdened with more than 500 fresh cases every day, adding more pressure on the government and the health department. On top of that, the number of deaths has also gone up in the last few days. On July 7, the death toll in the state stood at 60. However, on Wednesday, Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma informed about 5 cases of death from the state. Safikur Rahman of Hidayatpur, Guwahati, Romani Majumdar of Parpeta, Utpal Kumar Chahila of Kahilipara, Dispur, Hariprasad Mandal of Lalganesh, Guwahati admitted at Guwahati Medical College succumbed to the disease on the morning of July 8. Another patient named Jitendra Prasad from Machbat, Udalguri also died of the disease on July 7. He was admitted in Tejpur Medical College. Meanwhile, in Diphu, the KAAC Secretariat has been sealed off by the district administration after few of members tested positive for the virus. Beginning from July 6, Secretariat will remain closed till July 19. On the other hand, despite the pandemic situation turning grimmer, huge numbers of people are still disregarding the precautionary measures while going out in the public places. The police had to step in to set things right. NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. With the changing scenario of Hamren town, which is moving towards development, the Hamren Municipal Board is committed to move ahead with a speedy pace in the developmental works. On Tuesday, the chairman of the board assured that the ongoing construction works of the Hamren Central Hall will be completed by August 15. The Hamren Central Hall was sanctioned under CAM Dream Project to give provision for sports and activities. Accordingly, the construction work of the same has been completed in Dongkamakam and Diphu. However, the one being built at Hamren is still pending. According to source, the one in Hamren is the smallest among all the halls sanctioned under the project, but is taking the longest time for completion. After their recent visit to the construction site, the local KSA team expressed their disappointment over the delay of the work. Following the telecast of the news in Karbi Anglong Live channel, the KAAC Chief Tuliram Ronghang instructed the Hamren Municipal Board members to visit the site and see the ground facts. On July 7, the team including Hamren Municipal Board Chairman Biren Tiso, Vice Chairman Het Singh Rongpar and Ward Commissioner Basa Teron visited the under construction building and assured early completion.
Ahul ki kimpona long bangke de penangan nikan pen seklem pono ta non bangke je non diwanji tarik krep ho pai pai cheklo pipina ko saphang phang si api tangji apasi nikuma CM sar ka hai mata makha pono na so ku thal chipina pina dikna bang so hem wiring pen ke chengnok na ka to kawi ke tangte kwan si ke dolang ma kawi lang ma la so farman bang pina bang ko na pina dik bang pen si lai hu hormunang lang ko la sunang lang pen la un ana ke prap.
The municipal board members also stated that they will soon take up steps to beautify the Hamren town by installation of street light and the high max lights. Daniel Inghi from Hamren, Karbi Anglong Live. Stay with us for more news after this break. MS Pangjo Stationery Humri Damra Langdamik Tha Labang Suakula Lalong Nanglitum Kerang Sora Hormuan Long Iji Lake Ason Kecho Hormu Nangli hemarlo kapang jangjia phan kenang sora hormo lapen kapre ka son nangli tum longpon inji. Humri damlote nangli tum thek ilongji. Lasi humri damitha phangcho stationery. Ka humri dam nang jadim lake Rongthilan Dipu Manja Road, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School adum Dipu Karbi Anglong. Welcome back after the break. Living a good life is not easy, even for a physical sound person also. But what will be the situation if you are left to live with a paralyzed body? A woman from HDP had been undergoing this pain for the last 5 years, and even her husband left her to fend for herself. Kare Ronghangpi, a mother of 5 children, has been living with paralyzed legs and hands for the last 5 years. Her husband was with her in the early 4 years, but to her shock and disbelief, he and her in-laws deserted her, leaving her helpless and alone. On hearing the news, her brother took her back to his home at Saini Langso, Kangbura Tokbi village, HDP. Her brother Mongol Ronghang himself is not uneconomically sound and is not able to take his sister to the hospital for treatment.
Nitu making rilang cevandelo la sin. Cevandelo ningkani silo dang itu long ke la sin. Nona bangke la lockdown. Ajoy ni lo. La ningkani ni thama prang bang ni tumta sang bangke chỉ thon bom lo. Thang le chung ve sin le ta chỉ thon bom lo. Kang ha phong ru ta ning je pi ku ve li ta chỉ thek lo la po. Nona bangke ki ni long ke la sin. Ko son ma pui bidi jelo dang tu making rilong cevande lo sumar bang phodo lo la tumanda an di pi ta ni tumta ke thek the long.
The ailing woman and her relative have sought assistance from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang and all well-wishers for her treatment. Well-wishers can contact in the number given in the screen to support the ailing patient. Meanwhile, following broadcasting about the suffering of Kajor Lek Thipi in her channel, local MAC of Duarbagori constituency, Richard Togbi and VDC chairman Sarkoy Rongphar provided a little help of Rs 10,000 and Rs 3,000 respectively for her treatment. Following this, the woman and her husband Hemari Terang of Dagiram Ronghang village under Dolamara police station have expressed their gratitude towards the MAC Richard Togbi and VDC chairman Sarkoy Rongphar for their noble assistance. Vijay Rongpi from Dilai and Arjisan Rongphar from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. Taking it as their own responsibility to keep eyes on the various developmental works happening under the constituency, local bodies of Socheng Thenta today visited the construction site of the mini stadium sanctioned under CEM Dream project. The team was led by former VDC chairman Boronson Terang and accompanied by BJP Mandal President Sem Ingling, KSA Rongmongwe branch member Rahul Terang and members of Karbi Kurpo Ameng and local BLCC. After inspection, they have expressed their satisfaction by stating that 90% of the work has been completed.
Along stadium building penangan ilitum iklim kedam along inquiry panwang lo basiladak tek konung lo right 90% an akam itu ke tang kon tek konung lasi arji kiding dipin ben la on 10% akam iklim panstame body.
The team urged upon the concerned engineer and contractor for early completion of the facility in the greater interest of the local area. The teams have also extended their gratitude to the KAAC Chief Tuliram Ronghang, local MAC Kache Rongpipi and MLA Joyram Ingling, and for providing such facility to the constituency. Lobsing Terang from Rongmongbe, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Stay safe.